still running legacy SSE transport when HTTP is the recommended approach. You'll see exactly how to upgrade from the older SSE protocol to the modern HTTP transport, while keeping backward compatibility for existing clients. We'll walk through the minimal changes needed to switch transports, why HTTP is now preferred, and when you might still need SSE for legacy systems.
If name == main. #SSE transport. Use HTTP instead for new projects. MCP. Run transport equals SSE. Host equals 127.0.0.1. Port equals 8000.
This demonstrates the transport abstraction pattern in server design, where communication protocols become interchangeable behind a consistent interface. The pattern isolates transport-specific details, like STDIO, HTTP, or SSE, from your core server logic, letting you switch protocols without modifying business code. What makes this distinctive is how it preserves the same server behavior while adapting to different deployment contexts, from local CLI tools to network services. The abstraction works by treating transports as pluggable components that handle message serialization and delivery, while your server remains protocol agnostic. When you call run, the framework binds your tool definitions to the selected transport, managing connection lifecycle, message framing, and error handling automatically. This separation means you define tools once, then deploy them via STDIO for local use or HTTP for network access, with identical functionality in both cases. This pattern matters because it eliminates protocol lock-in during development. You can prototype with STDIO for immediate feedback, then deploy the same code via HTTP for production without rewriting endpoints. The trade-off is a slight runtime overhead for abstraction, but the flexibility outweighs this cost for most applications where deployment requirements evolve faster than core logic. Let's break it down line by line.
If name == main.
This is Python's standard entry point guard. It ensures the server only runs when the script is executed directly, not when imported as a module. Prevents accidental server startup during imports or testing.
#SSE transport. Use HTTP instead for new projects. MCP. Run transport equals SSE. Host equals 127.0.0.1. Port equals 8000.
This starts the FastMCP server using server-sent events transport, binding to localhost port 8000. The comment warns against SSE for new projects. HTTP transport is now preferred for better compatibility and tooling support. The main guard ensures the server only runs when executed directly, not on import. Legacy transport pattern. The SSE transport in FastMCP 2 persists as a backward compatibility bridge, maintaining server-to-client streaming while newer protocols handle bidirectional communication. This transport remains locked to unidirectional communication, making it unsuitable for modern interactive applications. Migrate to streamable HTTP for all new projects to unlock full bidirectional capabilities.
The protocol that speaks only half the conversation still carries the whole